Well, hello again. So this video is a tag along for the panini recipe that I shared with you previously. In this video, I'll show you cranberry chutney recipe. So here I'm using a fresh half a cup of cranberries, 2 tablespoons pine nuts, 1 tablespoon split mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon paprika, 3 tablespoon avocado oil, half tablespoon black pepper, and salt to taste. So now I'm going to put all the ingredients in my chutney grinder. With short bursts, I will add all the ingredients one after another and make a smooth chutney with few more bursts of grinding. Now this is a part of the chutney that I used for panini sandwich that I showed you in the earlier video. You can use this chutney with any other way you like, but it's going to be tangy and tart. It gives a very good taste with a nice softer pink color to it. So I hope you enjoy it, and please do leave me comments and subscribe.